LadyBoss LEAN is the best tasting meal replacement drink for women. It is formulated for women and it's less than $2 a meal. I've had other shakes and they've had that chalky taste and you just don't get that with the LEAN. LEAN curbs cravings and also gives you protein, vitamins, and minerals that you need daily. I'm gonna share one of their yummy recipes with you guys called the Carmello. It is super good and it's with this vanilla cake shake replacement. That was so good. LEAN has sold out 5 times, so make sure you get your free 3 samples. Click down below.